Hi guys, we're going to do CC Week 11 Music Theory and Tune Whistle. So you're going to start out like we always do, reviewing everything, and then you're going to explain dynamics. So, dynamics. We know that music is written to tell us what to play and when to play, counting beats, following the notes, knowing which line or which note on which line means what to put with your fingers on your instrument. But it can also tell us how to play it. It's going to tell us how loud, how fast, the way we play the music, the mood, everything like that is also told to you in, in written music. And we're going to explain some of the terms today. So, and that's called dynamics. Okay, so let's talk about a crescendo. A crescendo, if you have notes here, we'll just put 2 half notes because that's easy. Okay, we're in 4/4 time, so 4 beats a measure. Each one of these is 2 beats, so that's a whole measure 4. And then a crescendo is going to look like this. It's telling us to be quiet at first and to get louder as we go. Okay, so that's what a crescendo looks like. Decrescendo is the opposite. Decrescendo, you get quieter as you go down, okay? Let's talk about legato. Legato means to play the notes kind of slurred. It's often written with a slur, just kind of smooth and connected. It's often with a slur. I'll write the slur here. That's what a slur looks like. It's telling you to put them all together. Don't differentiate. Don't use your tongue to separate the notes like you normally do. And you're connecting them all. So that's legato, that's a slur. Legato just means like smooth and connected. A slur actually wants you to not differentiate the notes at all. When the notes are short and disconnected, like do, 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 right? It's called staccato. And that's written like this. It gives each note that it wants you to differentiate a dot. Okay, so that will be your staccato. And then, as you can see right here, this is the end of the bar or the line. And then let's talk about rests real quick. Okay, you have quarter rests, half rests, whole rests, and eighth rests. And their names mean the same things as the notes mean. Half note is 2 beats, half rest is 2 beats, whole rest will be 4 beats, just like whole note. Same for everything. So here, I will do the hard one first, quarter rest. So it looks like this. Sort of, okay. It's more beautiful and it's when it's written on music. But that's sort of what it looks like. That's a quarter rest that gets 1 beat. Here's an eighth rest. Let's do this correctly. That's an eighth rest, okay. That gets a half a beat. Let's move on to whole rest and half rest. Whole rest, now we're gonna be in this area right here. Whole rest is gonna cling to the top here of that line. Okay, that's a whole rest. 4 beats for that rest. Here's a half rest. It clings to the top of that line. Okay, that's a half rest. So that gets 2 beats. This gets 1 beat, this gets 4 beats, this gets 2 beats. Half rest, whole rest, quarter rest, and just so you don't forget what the little eighth rest looks like, that's a half of a rest, so a half a beat. Okay, then you're going to grab your tin whistle. You're going to continue learning Mary Had a Little Lamb. Remember, you can